Right, so we're just servicing this Xr400 today. That oil is not good at all, very well used. That was under 1,000 miles as well, by the way, so we got some quality synthetic performance. That's what she likes, I found. Oil filter. So you want to, because it's a dry sump engine, you need to take off this bolt for the engine oil, and then the oil's actually in this frame, so you want to take off this bolt as well. That's a 10mm, that one's a 12mm. You come round on this side then, and then you take off the oil filter like so. It is spring loaded, so do watch it. I'll give it a tap and that comes out. I put a new spark plug in there. She's had a new tank ready to rock and roll. So the spring goes there, and there's only one way that oil filter will go on really. You want to line it up with that oil passage but there, or it'll starve of oil. So you clean that out like so, get all that bad oil out of there, ready for new fresh good oil.